Hello guys, today we are going to learn letter writing. Welcome to our channel English Checkpoint. So let's get started with the letter writing. So there are types of letter writing. There are like two types of letters which are first formal letter writing. Second is informal letter writing. So let me show you how they are formatted. So here is formats of letters. To write a letter, you have to learn to the format of letter writing. So it is like this. So first is address of the sender. You have to write this in the top of your letter. And the second is date. You have to write it after the address. Third is address of the receiver. You write it after the date because you want to show who are you giving the letter. So first you write your name and address, and then you write the receiver's name and address. The fourth is subject line. Like if you are writing a letter to the receiver, you have to have a topic on which you are writing it to them. So fifth is salutation. When you are done with the whole letter, you add your salutation. It can be your name, signature, and the well regards of other. And then the sixth is body of the letter. You start the letter writing after writing the address of sender, date, address of receiver, subject line, salutation. So seventh is complimentary closure. So if you know or have a relation with the receiver, so you could write complimentary closure like your obedient or yours dear. So now let's move on to the eighth point. Signature. You give signature at the last of your letter to have a closure for everything you have written. Now here it is a letter to principal. When you are writing a letter to the principal, so it is like this. It's an example letter. So here it is. 44 Green Valley Road, Pune. Now the pin code of Pune is 411045. Maharashtra, 18th October 2028. Now the principal of Noble Public School, Pune, and its pin code. Now the subject. Suggestion to introduce an advanced English class. Respected sir or madam, whoever is your principal. If they are a she, write madam. If they are a he, write sir. So the body is, I am a student from class 7th at Noble Public School. So this letter's body starts from introducing who you are. And then the next point is, I am writing this letter to suggest the introduction of an advanced English class in our school curriculum to help students enhance their language and communication skill. Now the second point is to suggesting the subject which you have written for communication skill and to enhance everything which they have learned in normal English class. Second paragraph is, English plays a vital role in academic growth and future career opportunities. Many students in our school are eager to develop their vocabulary, pronunciation, and writing skills beyond standard syllabus. So, in this point, you have written why you want to add a English advanced class to your school curriculum. An English advanced class could include lessons on creative writing, public speaking, grammar enrichment, and literature appreciation, which could greatly benefit interested students. So, you are in this body, you are convincing your principal to add a advanced English class, and you are telling them their benefits. The third point is, I sincerely request you to consider this suggestion and introduce an optional advanced English class either after school hours or once a week to provide students with a platform to strengthen their language proficiency. You are telling the principal in this body to add the class after school hours or once a week. Now it is the last one. Thank you for your considering my request. I hope the school administration will take a positive step towards implementing this initiative. So now you are thanking the principal because they have listened to your letter. The second is last one. Yours faithfully, because you write this because you know your principal. Now then you write your signature, your name. Class 7th, Noble Public School. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you would like our video about the formal letter writing. Next part will come soon. Till then, like this video, share, subscribe, and stay tuned.